When you're dealing with roadside emergencies, it's always better to have a plan of attack than a panic attack. A few simple preparations will get you through most breakdowns and accidents. Introducing Luxtarr, a solar-powered LED light with built-in magnets, a must-have for every vehicle. It has 3 switchable flash modes. Flashlight mode allows you to warn the passing cars when you are repairing the car. Solid mode shares a wide-range white beam peaking at 80 lumens. You can appeal for help using the SOS mode. Luxtarr has a built-in battery that can be recharged via a solar panel, enabling you to easily deal with any emergency situations without power supply or cable. Designed to be classic, the genuine leather grip adds more elegance and vitality to the look of Luxtarr. It's adjustable for securely hanging or carrying. It can also be hung on a branch in the yard or during camping. When in the wild, the SOS mode is extremely useful for the rescuers to spot you in total darkness. With its super lightweight and compact design, you can store it almost anywhere. In your car, TV cabinets, or attached to any iron things. Luxtarr, a multifunctional work light which illuminates your road and your life. Back us on Kickstarter now.